Are you constantly feeling drained no matter how much you sleep? Do you find yourself relying on coffee or energy drinks just to make it through the day? You're not alone. Fatigue has become a modern-day epidemic, affecting millions of people regardless of age, lifestyle, or fitness level. The worst part? Many don't know what's causing it, and they simply accept exhaustion as a normal part of life. But chronic tiredness isn't normal, and it's your body's way of telling you something is off. In today's video, we'll uncover the real reasons you're always tired and what you can do to fix it naturally. From nutritional deficiencies to lifestyle choices and hidden health issues, we'll break down each possible cause and offer practical, science-backed solutions to reclaim your energy. So if you're ready to stop surviving and start thriving, let's dive deep into the root causes of fatigue, and more importantly, how to reverse it. 1. You're not getting quality sleep. It's easy to assume that sleep quantity is all that matters, but in truth, sleep quality is just as, if not more, important. You could sleep 8 hours a night and still wake up tired if your body isn't getting enough deep or REM sleep. Sleep disruptions from blue light exposure, stress, noise, or even a poor mattress can prevent your brain from entering the restorative stages of sleep. Things like sleep apnea, where breathing is interrupted during the night, can also rob your body of oxygen and leave you exhausted without you even knowing why. To fix this, create a relaxing bedtime routine. Shut off screens an hour before bed, dim the lights, lower your room temperature, and invest in blackout curtains. Consider apps with calming sounds or meditation to relax your nervous system. Good sleep hygiene can dramatically improve your energy without changing anything else. 2. Poor nutrition and skipped meals. What you eat directly fuels your body's energy systems. Skipping meals, eating too much processed food, or consuming sugar-heavy snacks can cause blood sugar spikes followed by crashes, leaving you in a cycle of highs and lows throughout the day. Without enough protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs, your body lacks the fuel it needs to perform, even on a cellular level. Nutrient deficiencies, especially in B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and vitamin D, are major contributors to constant fatigue. Many people are unknowingly iron deficient, especially women, leading to anemia, a direct cause of exhaustion. To fix this, start your day with a protein-rich breakfast, balance each meal with fiber and fat, and cut back on processed sugar. Consider getting a blood test to check for deficiencies and supplement as needed under the guidance of a health professional. Your body can't run on empty, and proper fuel makes all the difference. 3. Your chronically stressed. Mental and emotional stress take a huge toll on your physical energy. Chronic stress triggers a fight or flight response in the body, flooding your system with cortisol and adrenaline. While this helps in short bursts, prolonged exposure causes burnout, insomnia, irritability, and yes, persistent fatigue. It's like your mind is constantly running a marathon, even when your body is still. Many people live in a state of low-grade stress without realizing it. Work pressure, relationship problems, financial strain, all silently draining their energy reserves. To combat this, introduce stress reduction habits into your daily routine. Meditation, journaling, deep breathing exercises, or even taking a daily walk in nature can lower cortisol levels. Identify your stress triggers and set healthy boundaries. You can't pour from an empty cup, and managing stress is essential to restoring lasting energy. 4. You're dehydrated without knowing it. Mild dehydration is one of the most overlooked causes of fatigue. Even a 1 to 2% loss in body fluids can significantly impact energy, brain function, and mood. Many people go through the day drinking only coffee, tea, or sugary drinks, none of which properly hydrate the body. Water is essential for cellular function, nutrient transport, and detoxification. Without enough of it, your blood thickens, circulation slows, and your organs, especially the brain, have to work harder, resulting in fatigue. To fix this, aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Start your morning with a full glass of water before any caffeine, and eat water-rich foods like cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon. Keep a water bottle with you at all times, and set reminders if you tend to forget. Your energy will noticeably improve within days of staying properly hydrated. 5. Sedentary lifestyle. Believe it or not, the less you move, the more tired you feel. Our bodies are designed to move, and regular physical activity stimulates circulation, increases oxygen to the brain, and boosts feel-good hormones like endorphins. If your job or lifestyle involves sitting most of the day, your muscles can become weak, your posture slouches, and fatigue sets in. Even your digestion slows down without movement. Exercise doesn't have to mean intense workouts. A brisk walk, light stretching, or a 10-minute home workout can energize your body and lift your mood. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical movement each day, even if it's broken into chunks. Regular movement helps reset your body's circadian rhythm and improves sleep, metabolism, and energy. The more you move, the more energy you'll create naturally. 6. Your mental health might be affected. Fatigue isn't always just physical, it's often deeply tied to your mental health. Conditions like depression and anxiety don't always show up as sadness or panic attacks. Sometimes, they manifest as sheer exhaustion, lack of motivation, brain fog, or an overwhelming need to sleep all day. If you're feeling constantly tired and emotionally flat, despite good sleep and a healthy lifestyle, it might be time to explore your mental well-being. Our emotional state impacts neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which play key roles in how energized and focused we feel. Left unaddressed, mental health struggles can create a cycle where low mood leads to low energy, and low energy reinforces the low mood. If you suspect mental health might be a factor, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional. Talking to a therapist, joining a support group, or even practicing self-care routines like mindfulness and creative hobbies can make a major difference. Energy comes not only from how your body feels, but how your heart and mind are doing too. 7. Overstimulation from technology. We live in a hyper-connected world where screens are always in front of us: phones, laptops, TVs, and tablets. Constant exposure to digital devices can lead to mental fatigue, sleep disruption, and even physical tension. Doom scrolling social media, receiving endless notifications, and binge watching late into the night overstimulate your brain, keeping it in a state of alertness. The blue light emitted by screens suppresses melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep, which then shortens your deep sleep cycles and leaves you tired the next day. Information overload also clutters your cognitive space, making it harder to focus and feel rested. Try implementing tech-free hours, especially before bed. Replace screen time with reading, light stretching, or journaling. Turn off non-essential notifications and practice digital minimalism. Protecting your mental bandwidth from overstimulation is a powerful way to restore energy and reclaim focus in your daily life. Make the right changes today, and your future self will thank you. Scroll down and check the link. You might discover something your routine has been missing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's always tired too. And don't forget to follow for more science-backed health tips and wellness hacks.